Your IBM I system has kept things running for decades. It's solid and it works. But if you're wondering how it can do more for what you're building next, you don't have to start over. At Fresche, we help your core technology evolve. That includes modernization services and AI-powered software specifically built for IBM I. Together, they help your team analyze systems faster, move complex initiatives forward, and extend the value of the technology you already rely on every day. Through modernization, we update code, databases, and interfaces to bring your systems in line with how your business operates today and tomorrow. With data and analytics, we turn the data trapped in your IBM I and other environments into insights your team can trust and act on. We build AI software that understands IBM I, helping organizations modernize faster, spot risks early, and strengthen security. Through managed services, we act as an extension of your team to look after your day-to-day operations, helping keep things stable, secure, and running smoothly. We also help transition your IBM I workloads to a secure, scalable cloud environment that supports flexibility, resilience, and growth. Fresche, modernize what works, unlock AI, build what's next.